Hi friends, I'm Sofia from Expert Guidance Academy, and in this video we are going to learn how to use tenses in just 10 minutes. So are you ready to learn, my dear friends? Okay, so the first thing which you need to remember about tenses is, of course, the verbs. You must have a good knowledge about the verbs, my dear friends. So verb is very important when it comes to tenses. So to begin with, let us start with the simple present. Now the simple present tense is where we use subject and first form of the verb. Like I walk, subject and the verb. Present continuous is continuous. When we say continuous, means when an action is going on at the time of speaking. So that is called continuous. It is not continuous, it is continuous. So present continuous is subject is MR plus verb ing. For example, I am walking. I am walking right now. Present perfect is, my dear friends, where we use has and have. Has with the singulars, have with the plurals. And third form of the verb. Like I have walked, you have learned, she has eaten. So with the singulars we use has, with the plurals we use have. And present perfect continuous tense is when we use for an action which started in the past and it's still going on, we use present perfect continuous. And the rule, my dear friend, is has, have plus been. Don't forget, been is very important when it comes to present perfect continuous tense, not continuous. So, and verb ing. So the identity is what? Have, has, been, verb ing. For example, I have been walking. You have been studying. Moving on to the simple past. Simple past is really easy, in which we use all the subject and the second form of the verb. Like I walked a lot yesterday. You learned English. So simple past is like that. Past continuous is when an action was going on continuously in the past. And the rule is, my dear friends, was and were plus verb ing. Like I was walking yesterday. Word was plus verb ing. Past perfect is had. In this we use had plus third form of the verb. What is the past tense of have and has? Had. So we use all subjects had and verb 3. We use two simple past in past perfect. For example, I had walked before my father came. So two simple past, we use it when we talk about past perfect tense. Moving on to past perfect continuous, we use had plus been and verb 3. Had plus been, verb ing. Not verb 3, verb ing. Like I had been eating, she had been sleeping. Alright, my dear friends. Moving on to the last but not the least, future. Simple future tense. Future tense. So future tense is, my dear friends, we simply use will and shall and the first form of the verb. I will walk tomorrow. I shall walk tomorrow. Shall is used even now today. We use shall formally. And will is used with all the other subjects. Though shall is outdated but still in writing, informal, we definitely use shall. So will and shall plus first form of the verb expresses simple future. Future continuous, we use will, shall, be plus verb ing. I shall be walking. You will be writing a letter. Future perfect. Future perfect, the rule is will, shall, have and the verb 3. Will, shall, have and the verb 3. Like I shall have finished the work. I shall have walked. And future perfect continuous tense, my dear friends, is will, shall, have, again been plus verb ing. I will have been walking a lot. With this, my dear friends, we have come to the end of the tenses. I hope you understood, and if there is any confusion, do one thing: practice, because practice makes it perfect. Try to write all the rules and use it as much as you can. With this note, I'm signing it off. See you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.